When you start the Kansas Child Support Calculator from ChildSupportTools.com and click on Login, you'll be taken to this page where you can log in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to open an account by clicking on Don't Have an Account. You'll be directed to the Account Information page where you can quickly set up an account which will permit you to calculate child support for a Kansas divorce or child support proceeding quickly and easily. Your contact information will be printed on documents generated by the program and intended for filing at the courthouse, so accuracy is important. The steps in obtaining an accurate child support calculation are 1. Open an account. 2. Purchase a case folder in which to enter information about your child support situation. And 3. Calculate and print the child support worksheet and other reports needed for court. The information needed is fairly basic and self-explanatory. We will need a valid email address so we may communicate with you. Please create a login name you can easily remember. It doesn't need to be long as it's 8 characters or more, and it can use both upper and lowercase letters. You will also need to create a password for your account so only you can access your information. It must be at least 6 characters and must use both letters and numbers. The CAPTCHA portion of the screen is used to ensure that you are a real human being creating an account and that the account is not being created in your name by some sort of software robot. Fill out the CAPTCHA information by typing in the 2 words that you see in the box, and if the 2 words you see in the box are hard to understand or hard to read, simply ask for another set of words and use those. Let's use the login name and password you just created to actually set up a case file for your family. You'll log in this same way each time you want to access your file for further calculations. Just type in the login name and password for your account and click on Login. Next, you'll see the Terms of Service page. Click on the checkbox at the bottom of the screen to turn the Continue button green. Next, you'll see the Case Selection page. Since you don't have a case to select from yet, you'll want to click on the green Purchase a New Case button to begin setting up your new case file. Next, in the Product Selection page, you'll select the time that you'd like to have your case active. Notice that the longer terms are actually less expensive per day, but if you wish, you can always return to ChildSupportTools.com and extend your original term if you need more time. You can do that as often as you like. Your information is always secure and available to you. The next 2 screens are for your credit card information. To ensure proper validation, be sure that the billing address and the name on the card are correctly filled in, as well as the card number, verification number, usually found on the back of the card, and the expiration date. Well, that's all there is to setting up your ChildSupportTools.com account. Next, you'll want to fill in some details, so click on Back to Cases and then Open Selected Case. And we'll get you to the case setup screen so you can start entering information about your child support situation. Next, you may want to watch the tutorial on case setup. Thanks for watching.